Good morning. Today is Thursday, the 22nd of January, and the market is sold off quite a bit. First of all, we opened up higher today, right? Closed here, opened up here, ran up, made that high. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive lower highs and 4 consecutive lower lows, right? I believe we've hit a support level, a short-term support level right here. And so I have bought this market along at 2021 3/4. My initial catastrophic stop is going to be at 18 3/4. It's going to be below this low. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that in 18 3/4. All right, and we're looking at a 4-bar ATR, average true range, a 4-bar ATR, to get me real close to price to show me what I can expect out of this trade. Okay, so right now trade at 6. We're going to round it 6.31 to 6 points, which means I'm looking for a 6-point move up from here, and my stop is rather small. It's below the low of the day. Okay, so we're going to watch this. Now granted, since it's a 4-bar RSI or 4-bar ATR, it's taken in consideration this bar quite heavily. So I'm going to go back and change that. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go 8 bars back to factor in all the bars that we've seen so far today. So let me go ahead and change that. All right, that's giving me the same ATR at about 6.5 points. So I'm still looking for a 6-point move up from my entry of 22, be 28. That put us right here. Okay. Now what we've just seen is the market take out the prior 3-minute bars high, which is a good sign. Right, we dropped down, we had some big large ranges, created that tight little inside pattern at the 200, and we've just penetrated up through the high of 2023.5. And I am going to, since it's early in the morning, there's a lot of news today. ECB, a lot of news on the ECB today. So I'm going to take 5 off. As you can see, we're up 13.75 right now on this trade. I'm going to go ahead and sell 6. Sell 5 contracts, rather.
Order filled.
All right, so we just booked 562 profit. 562.50 in profits. And another key, this is also a very key level based on the opening bell income strategy that Craig Hill and I teach. And this was a key level down in here. So that was another reason why taking a trade down here looked really good. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to move the stop from the low of the day to below this 3-minute bar here to 2020.25. Okay, 2020.25. So we're going to risk less on this now. 2020.25, right there. Here we go. Now we're moving nice. Okay, we're right below this. Look at this rally. Nice. What's our objective? We said that was 28. So let's go 5 at 28 and be done with it. If we'll go 1 tick below 2027.25. Okay, there we go. All right, so what do I? So look at the reward to risk on this particular. When we first started this trade, it was roughly 2, almost 3 to 1 to the upside reward to risk ratio. Now with the remaining portion of the position, look at this. I am looking to make almost 6 points. What am I risking on this? Less than 2 points on the remainder. So I can take this off. Okay, we've got a resting sell limit at 2027.75. Let's go ahead and measure some Fibonacci retracements from today's high to low and see what's, okay, here we go. The 38.2% retracement of the day is 2020. Yeah, so and a half. So we're like right there at the 38.2% of the day's down move. Okay, so the market should pop up to here. I'm going to pause this video. All right, looks like the market's really stabilizing down in here. So I want to watch this bar very closely. And if this current bar is actually an inside pattern, if it's unable to take the prior bar's high out, all right, I'm thinking this market's going to go a lot higher if we're able to take out the prior bar's high, which is an inside pattern. So I'm going to watch it very closely. I'll be back shortly. All right, I am back. I'm gonna take out this order because I think we're going higher. There. I'm going to actually put it back in, but only with 3 contracts, because if this market starts to move, which it's starting to do, let's see. We're there. 28. We just hit it. Oh, come on. I'll just take 4 off since I can't change it right now. Place market order, sell 4 at the market. Look at this. Nice trade, people. Look at that. Got 1 left. All right. I got 1 left. Let's trail this up. We're going to bring this up below here. 202.4 1/4 now. 202.4 1/4. All right. Got time. 202.4 1/4. Let's see. That's how you do it. Boom. Move it up. Here we go. Okay. You know what? I got 10 on there. That's all wrong. Got to cancel that order, and now I got to put it. Okay, that initial order was 10 contracts, right? So I just caught myself here. So we're going to sell it 2,024 1/4 right there on the remaining contract. There we go. Now we got it in nice. Okay, here we go. So we've locked in $1,812 on this particular trade. Again, this is a beautiful trade. Again, based on many of the principles of opening bell income strategy. Again, if you haven't watched that video, I urge you to watch the click below and watch that video. Again, we're locking in profits on the remaining 1/10 of the position. Okay, we've only got 1 contract left. We started off with 10 down here with an initial stop below the low of the day, so we were not risking a whole lot. Our first objective has been hit. Look at that. 2028 was our first profit target. We've gone up to 2029.5. Let's just revisit where the fibs are sitting today from high of the day, low of the day. So we've a little shy of that 50% retracement of the entire day's down move from high to low, right? So let's go ahead, and I'm going to pause this video so it's not too long. All right, I'm back watching this very closely. I've got that sell stop at 2024 1/4 below the prior bar's low. Again, we're looking at a 3-minute chart on the E-Mini S&P 500. We took this trade down in here, right? 2022. Took some profits and then more profits up in here, and we are attempting, excuse me, to milk this trade for what it's worth. So let's see if we have the power to create a V today, right? We've traded straight down from the opening 3-minute bar, straight down into a beautiful support zone. Okay, beautiful, perfect support zone, coupled with the fact that you had price action set up. You had the inside pattern. So as soon as that market took out the high of this inside bar, that was further confirmation that this market should run, and it did. Once it took out that high of 2023.5, we're up to 2030 already. So we just took out the prior bar's high. That being said, I'm going to move my stop up now to below 26.5 to 26.25. Okay. So let's find our order. Sell stop 26.25 is right there. See that? Moved it up even more. All right, I'm going to pause the video.
Order filled.
All right, I am flat this position, but it was a good trade. Made a little over $2,000, as you can see right here. So it's a beautiful trade. Again, we bought this market here, took some profits here, took more profits here, and trailed up the remainder right there. So again, not bad day. Again, if you haven't looked at the opening bell income strategy video that Craig and I have put together, I urge you to do that. Well worthwhile. All right, what time is it? 10:08, so not a bad trade for first thing in the morning. Let's see what we can do for the remainder of the day. Have a great day. Hope that's been helpful, and I will be back with you tomorrow morning. Bye for now.